Hi guys! Nate and Jaja here. Tara, explore natin ang South Korea sa aming 5-day itinerary. Let's go! What's up guys? Right now we are in Starfield Covex Mall.
Yeah, this go.
Ngayon guys, hinahanap na namin mismo yung COEX Aquarium. Ang COEX Aquarium ay isang aquarium located inside the Starfield COEX Mall na matatagpuan sa Gangnam District of Seoul. Ito ay nagbukas noong 2000. The COEX Aquarium features 90 exhibition tanks grouped in 14 discovery zones, including 6 themed areas. Guys, ito na. We're about to see the COEX Aquarium. Ito yung mall dito na maganda. Check lang natin kung gaano kaganda. Ayan sa mga ice cream coffee, SAG balloons, sweaters. And the COEX Aquarium. Wow. Tingnan natin kung gaano kaganda. Simple lang naman siya.
I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah.
COEX Aquarium. Nice. That's the COEX Aquarium.
I'm going crazy. 오늘은 너에게 내 맘을 고백할게. 내 맘을 받아줘. 영원히 변치 않을 테니.
Yan yung English. Yan. Mag-enjoy muna kami. Mag-picture-picture na lang. So, watch out later.
I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy.
So, ito na yung entrance to the COEX Aquarium. Uy, there's a mirror. Hi guys! Nandito po kami sa COEX Aquarium. So, we have some little fish here. Ano pangalan yan? There's a frog? Where? There's a frog? Black spotted pond. Frog. Sige nga, baka makita natin.
I can see a snail.
Where? That's a small snail. Asan na?
Chinese muddy.
Asan na yung frog?
Wait, I know what's a mudloach.
Hindi na makita yung frog. Ayan. Cruise spine loach, Christian carp, and sand spine loach. Hello buddies. What up buddies? There's a pond, another pond here. There's another pond. Tara, let's check on the fish. Yes, those are the fish. What up little fish? Hello. There's a snail also. Slender. 1, 2, 3. Alright. It's Nelly. Carp. Sky
I saw
Gagger.
this carp in Animal Crossing.
You know, yung mga carp. Hello, big guy. Oh, that's a big fish.
서준아! 서준이 왜 여기 있어?
안녕. Hello.
야야 나 이거
Hello, what's this? Rainbow trout. Ayun o. Ano to? Bakit? Ako daw yung sturgeon. Pag ako naging fish. What? Catfish. Golden looch.
Oh, it's a catfish.
Yeah, it's hiding. Hello, friend. What up? It's hiding. Yellow mandarin fish. Hello, you know. Up. Hello, Mr. Albino.
There's a freshwater eel.
You know, ito pala oh.
Look, there's an eel in there.
Ayun, natago. Ito sila.
Oh my gosh, there's an eel right there. Oh my gosh.
Ito niyo. Ito na Mario. Ay, sa fish. Mahilig siya sa ano.
Yeah. Oh, what is this?
The squirrels, ano?
Squirrels?
Pause this. Hello. Why? What's in there?
It's a trident goby.
Saan mo nakita yan?
Actually, when it goes on land, it can actually walk on land.
This one? This one?
Yeah.
Ah, talaga?
Yeah, see on the wall?
Yeah.
It can walk on the sand whenever it goes into land. It can
Wow.
actually breathe there. It doesn't
Wow,
die.
nice. Ang galing mo, Ari. Uy, it's ano, fish party, oh, fish party. Hi, guys. Hello, guys. Hello, Mr. Catfish. Mr. Catfish. Uy. Yan.
It's a
Right.
striped shiner. It doesn't move.
Shiner.
It doesn't move. Are you
Ano daw
kidding
yan,
me?
naglalaro sila ng stop dance. Pag gumalaw sila, talo sila. Ayun siya. Stop dance, hindi gumagalaw eh. Ayun o.
They're not moving.
They're not moving. So yung iba, talo na yun. Hindi na sila naglalaro.
Yeah, this one is actually moving. It's a Korean rose bitterling.
Korean roast bitterling.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's the same color as a rose.
Yung lapit mo yung face mo dito para kita Ario. Tada! Hi guys!
Woo! Hello. Okay, I think they're doing stop dance again. They're not moving.
Bawal gumalaw.
Oh!
Uy!
It's a white-nosed loach.
White nose loach.
What about that's
Slender
Korean.
strip sinner.
What about this?
Long snouted bullhead.
What is it doing? What is it doing?
Long nose barbel. Pwede ko nga itong ilubog eh.
Korean ouch perch. What's up?
Orcha perch.
Oh, right there. It's hiding. Oh, this.
Predator fish.
The sleeper.
Ito pala, friendly Korean fishes pala yung mga yan. And this is a predator fish. So this fish eats another fish.
Korean spotted thingy.
Ah, predator oh.
It's a sleeper.
Wow! Oh, it's a big guy. Hello,
Oh
buddy.
my gosh, there's a channel cattlefish.
Catfish. Foreign fish. Oh, it's not from here.
Why?
Hello. You have really long.
Beep. Boop. 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 Boop.
Okay. Nocturnal fish. So, tulog to ngayon. Tulog. Kasi morning. Morning eh.
May sensor siya pag may malapit.
Oh. They're sleeping. Ang dami. It says here, Garden of Korea. Whoa.
Yeah.
Ayun o, ayun.
Oh.
Punta na tayo dun. There's a lot of fish.
Let's go.
Kaja. Ayan, picture daw yan. Sit kayo dyan yan. Mayari.
알 수 없는 걸 I'm going
Yung mga fish na makukulit. Ayan o, tinan nyo.
Oh, those are called butterfly crabs.
Ah, butterfly carps. Butterfly carps pala yun, kaya ganun sila. Ang gaganda.
Look what happened. Yung kanina nakatapat siya. He did that to it.
Ayun o. Ito, this one isa.
I'll go take a picture.
Para sila mga angel. What are those?
What are those?
It's like angel fishes. Mahal nila ang isa't isa. Ang mga koy, mahal ang isa't isa. They kiss each other. Mommy, hi! Now, Training Academy.
Ano mo to, magic mirror? Whoop! Taba! Pumayat. This is the normal me.
I'm flat. We're flat.
This is like long. And this is wavy. Uy! Ooh.
What on earth is going
On the fish. Red fish, sabi sa kapako. Tapos, yung mami sinadala yung kapatid sa kapako. Mami, oh, kapako. Ayan, oh. Pako. Post anesthesia
What are you doing? What are you doing?
What are those? It's like the fossils.
I have seen one of these in Animal Crossing.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, I don't know what this guy is. Oh, it's crying. Oh, it's sad.
Oh, that's so cute. Parang sa ano to? Parang sa Dubai. Maganda sa Dubai.
Mm-hmm. Ang cute. Cute. Eh, it's like, ano yan, yung parang Stone Age man.
Hello, Otter. What is that? Is that a... Is that a meerkat? What? Meerkat. No, it's an otter. It's a short-clawed otter. Oh, they're so cute. Oh.
Ay, what's that?
It's an otter. It's a short-clawed otter.
Oh, cute is that?
Oh, it's so cute.
It's a short clawed otter. Hey, no. Hello, little guy. Show us. Swim, swim. Asan yung iba? Ito only one.
Oh, si Justin. Ayun si Justin. Kasi anong animal siya?
A beaver.
Pagsamahin mo.
Justin the beaver.
Justin Bieber. It's a crocodile.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a floating eyes of crocodile.
Ha?
Inay.
It's a floating eye
Oh,
crocodile.
naghanap siya ng ano niya.
Oh my gosh, it's so scary.
Yeah.
Matapang yan,
Tapang.
patay.
Trying to eat. It's eating. Common fish parasite. It's alive. Wow. Isa. Yun. You have to press. Ayun o. Ayun na, Ario. Kita na siya dito. Tingnan mo.
What
Ayun
is
o.
that?
Yan o. That's it. Diba? Oh, para makita mo siya. Yan o. I'm gonna show you guys what's
It's so
inside.
tiny. I can see it.
Ayun o. It's moving.
It's tiny. It's so cute.
What are those? Those are phytoplankton.
Those are
Ito, fish scale. How does a fish scale looks like?
They're Artemias. That's all.
Yan. So how do they breed? Lorella.
Look. Look, these are
Before
Artemia.
hatch, dry Artemia.
Yeah.
Artemia.
And then look, This is the adult Artemia.
Adult na to?
Yeah, look. See?
Ano, very small.
They're so tiny.
You know?
It's so cute, isn't it? Now this one, this is a...
Uy, Nemo! It's Nemo!
It's Dory!
Oh, it's Dory. Yeah! It's a
Dory!
Dory and Nemo.
Hey!
That's the anemone.
Oh wow, there's an animal.
Picture mo kami ni Mami. Baby coral. Uy, ang ganda, baby corals. Nice. It's moving. Nice.
So its eyes are at the side. I don't know how does it do that.
Ito, spotted tail morang.
Mga silang patay.
When I wake up,
Oh, they're so cute.
I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold
Ari, ari. Hindi niya abot. Hindi niya abot. What is that?
What are you doing? It's reaching. It's trying to reach the light.
Trying to reach the light. Ano sila? Meron silang meeting. There's a meeting. Meeting. They have a meeting. Group study. Uy, ito na mga frogs. Hello guys, water tanks. Ito na. Ito yung mga ayaw namin ni Mami. White tree frog. Where? Yun! There, I found you, little guy. There you are, you're hiding. Annyeong.
Legendary.
Skeleton. Golden Cross map. Arowana.
Look, it's a red arowana. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Why did it just look at me like that?
Hello. Hello. Frontosa. Next incline cave fish. Rainbow shark. Uy, may lobster. Oh. Ay, prawn pala, prawn. Laki oh, Ari.
Yeah, what?
Look at that prawn. Uy! Ano? Common snake. Neck turtle. Turtle. Cannibal.
Piranha.
Fantastic is hungry. It's so big. Yo.
Ganda. Para pala tong ano. Ayun, mas malaki. Ito na. Ito na yung mga malalaking ano. Mangrove and beach. Turtles. Uy.
I think these are one of the
Saan ka?
Uy, ayun na. May ano, pawikan. There's a turtle.
I think these are one of the tropical fishes.
Okay, Mami.
Look,
Sana.
stingray.
Uy,
Stingray.
ayun. Yeah, ang laki ng stingray, oh. Ang laki ng stingray. Wow. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. So, that's a shark.
Oh yeah. Jellyfish. Hi. Zombie. Hi.
Jellyfish. Woo, nice. These are the jellyfishes. The moon jellyfish. Guys, ito jellyfish na. Jellyfish.
There's a moon jellyfish.
It's a moon jellyfish. It's here.
There's a moon. Look, wait, there's a small one. Oh, look.
Nice, ang dami. Ayan.
It's so cute.
It's like mushroom jellyfish.
Wee, I want to touch you.
Yan mo, gawin natin ito yan. Picture mo kami ni Mami.
Oh, why?
I'm going turning, keep holding me down. Yeah. 수면이 더 비추는 이 세상을 봐. No. You can never know.
They're small. They're small. These are one of the tiny ones.
Yun, cute.
Oh, that's so cute. Why are they flipping upside down?
Siyempre, going down sila.
Oh, look, they're glowing. They're flashing. Look, you can see them flashing.
Ito rin oh, mas bigger.
That's also a moon jellyfish of fire. I see.
Big belly seahorse. Ariel. Mga Preggy.
Whoa, it's a big belly. Big belly seahorse.
Big belly seahorse.
Yeah.
Dito ka, stand ka dyan. Ay, face. Look here. Smile.
Whoa! Blood red fire shrimp.
Tomato crown fish. Uy, nice.
It's a blood red fire
Fire
shrimp.
shrimp. Red lobster. Where are you, guy?
Oh, right there, in there,
You're hiding.
in there.
We found you.
It's a blue spotted jawfish.
Delicate balance of life. Uy, ang ganda. The
Oh,
color.
wow, that's not Nemo.
Nice.
Oh, that's big. Oh, that's big.
O, dyan ka, Ari, sa side ka. Selfie tayo yan. Ganda. What up, buddy?
Please don't tell me.
It's alive.
Please don't tell me it's staring at us.
Ocean Kingdom. Hello, Patty.
Nakain siya.
Ayun, yung malaki. Malaki.
Nakain.
Ano na
Oh, right there.
Where?
Right
Oh,
there.
that one. You know.
That fish is blocking the way. Di ba dito nga na dinalapit sa tapos na bump yung
Oh, turtle.
says hi. Ito
Yeah.
palang manatid na to kapag lumapit eh. Parang it will give you a boop in this class.
Yeah.
Get poop. But that's still eating. Also, it
Sayang, it's eating. Hindi natin siya ayun, ano siya, ayun, kumakain siya yung.
it's eating lettuce.
There's where? Fish yun.
No, that's lettuce.
Ay, oo, gulay, carnivore siya. Ay, ano siya, herbivore. Ito. Harbor seal.
Poop! Go poop!
Dito ka sa kabila. Dito ka, sit ka dyan. Seal.
I get that can boop though. That can boop.
Ari. Ito pala yun, pang selfie. Yam. Tara, selfie tayo. Wow, ayan. Nice. Pasok ka naman. Nice. Baby Axela. Ayun o. Parang nagiging salamander na siya. Ito, black. Axolotl black. This is white. Fishes.
And this one is a camel like a raider.
Penguins. Ano yun?
Look what happens if we push this. Wait, look what happens when we push this.
Sige. Where's the sound? It creates a sound.
And that's the end of our tour here in COEX Aquarium. We hope you enjoyed the aquatic animals that we saw as much as we did. And para dyan sa mga BTS Army, abangan ang aming susunod na vlog. Sure na sure kaming makaka-relate kayo. See you there!
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning, the being as bright as the sun.